harmony, pasal kita nak cakap beri sokongan padu kepada pihak kerajaan dengan atas usaha-usaha. Pasal credit to MIPO, masa first time kita jumpa, they didn't even know the difference between producer and publisher. You know, because it's both penerbit dalam bahasa Melayu. So ada a lot of context, a lot of terms yang betul. So at that time, diorang pun mungkin tak tahu sangat pasal industri music. But Alhamdulillah, after so many years that we have been engaging, dan MIPO telah berjumpa pihak kami, 3PM dengan pihak karyawan dan Datuk. I think Datuk lagi lama dah jumpa dengan diorang. But beza, macam hari ni pasal karyawan dengan 3PM. So although kita berdua, we are both fighting for the rights of musician, but the nature is slightly different. Macam karyawan lebih kepada perjuangkan kepentingan juga, tapi kerja aman. Banyak kerja aman, banyak jasa Datuk Freddy. Datuk Freddy actually came to see my drama kat hospital masa dia sakit. Dan dia sumbangan, itu kehebatan Datuk Freddy, dia jasa dia banyak. So tapi for 3PM, we are actually a relatively new persatuan dan kita lebih kecil dan kita more for the technical side. So we have read the Companies Act 2016, now 2024. We have read the Akta Hak Cipta 1987, now it's 2022, Akta Hak Cipta 2022. We have read the MNA, and we are nerds basically. So macam kita chat Abang Art also especially. So we and Abang Haris pun join kita pergi office MSCP board inspection. Tak pernah dalam sejarah CMO persatuan ahli-ahli board inspection. So that is
ada lawyer dengan limited.
So itu yang pelik. So now the fight has gone to the next level. So which is why now kita rasa kadang macam Datuk jalan penyelesaian yang baik. Kita dah cuba sebenarnya. We have gone through the AGM, which is the proper channel, and then after that we have tried to go through the legal channel, which is kita consult lawyers. We have a few lawyers yang nak tolong kita pro bono. But after they went through the case, because it is in the constitution of the CMO, so memang tak dibuat apa. Pasal the moment we sign, we have already agreed to all those things. So legally kita dah tak ada standing. Although debatable, tapi it's not enough. They are confident enough to bring it to court. So which is why macam Abang Samad, we decided, okay, if we cannot change the law, we have to go to the lawmakers, which is the kerajaan. Because that is the final, that is the last straw. So macam I respect macam Datuk Freddy still want to secara aman. But 3PM we have fight for the past 7 years Abang. You can look at the minutes, mesyuarat minit AGM. Memang kita lah penyangak-penyangak di lima. Sampai diorang panggil bodyguard dengan polis tak pergi AGM. To that extent, kita bukan nak gaduh. And the thing is, we have questioned and we have asked the technical questions. And then we have done our inspection, and then apa yang kita jumpa, kita dah report ke SSM, kita report ke MIPO. So Alhamdulillah, MIPO finally mendengar. So daripada yang tak tahu perbezaan antara producer dan publisher tadi, after so many years, they have learned about the industry and they have actually done a very good job. And this guideline is actually the bukti yang mereka telah melakukan usaha-usaha yang sepatutnya. And sebab tu kita sekarang ni, the penggiat dengan pengguna, we are in harmony. The pengguna is willing to pay, and then the penggiat kita kasi kita cakap, kita jumpa we are helping each other out. So it is somewhere in between the penggiat dan pengguna tu ada something wrong. And we have like I said, so dah banyak bengkel seselibat urus yang telah dijalankan MIPO yang kita semua telah melibatkan diri. Tapi sebab tu bila the joint statement daripada CMO tiba-tiba cakap as though benda ni perkara yang mengejut, perkara yang datang secara tiba-tiba. So kita boleh tengok pengerusi CMO yang buat the joint statement tu kata they were not consulted, they were not tak ada any discussion being made. We in our statement kita keluar untuk nak bantah the joint statement by the CMO, kita letak gambar diorang semua ada kat situ. Macam what nonsense are they talking about? So we are here pasal kita kena atur nama Datuk M. Nasir, nama Datuk Sheila Majid,